We're out on another adventure in Everglades National Park. Today I'm fishing the inside, Whitewater Bay. It is a gorgeous, spectacular morning. Light wind blowing, 8 a.m. right at the moment. Could not believe how packed the ramp was. But sun's coming up. It's up in the air a little bit. It's been up for I guess about a half an hour now. And we'll see what happens. I'm hoping to catch some redfish, some speckled trout, maybe a few snappers, but we'll see. If I don't catch a single fish, it's going to be a beautiful day out on the water. Appreciate you coming along with me. Let's see what happens. Stay tuned. See what we got. Little snook. When I looked at how this snook had taken the lure, I realized I had a delicate situation here. The hook of the jig had wrapped around one gill raker and the tip was embedded in an adjacent one. I knew it was going to be delicate, and I was concentrating on it so much, trying to get it out without injuring the snook, that I didn't realize the trolling motor was taking me right into this mangrove island and bottomed out. Anyhow, I was able to get the hook removed without any damage at all to the gills of the snook, released him, and he swam away for another day. Save. You can see in this picture that the wind is beginning to pick up. That beautiful day is turning into a bit of a windy day. Okay, Jim, that was 2 opportunities that fish gave you. Pretty sure it was the same fish. You got to stick them on one of them. Another 12-inch snook. And there's another miss. That's a little snook. Got a fish. Let go of it. He's back on. Let's see what we got. How many misses is that now? Okay, I'm calling it a day. It's about 20 of 2. Beautiful day out here. The wind really did pick up. Made it interesting in the exposed areas of Whitewater Bay, especially trying to fish some of the points. But 3 small snook. I think I had a trout on at one time, but didn't get him in the boat. It was a good day, good outing. The boat ran fantastic. Beautiful weather. For all of y'all that are not in South Florida, this is what we live for. Anyhow, I want to thank y'all for watching, for coming along with me, and hope to see you out the next time. Wishing everybody bent rods, tight lines.